I could find a way to create things, just not destroy and break things. This feeling in my mind is so
Hi my loves, how are you today? I'll show you how to make this easy lazy updo. Basically, this is a banana bun, but my version. So let's get started with making our parting and then selecting our side sections. We want to clip them away for later. Then with the rest we want to make a loose low ponytail, but on last time make sure to pull it only halfway through. Fan it out a little bit like I'm showing, and then grabbing one of the sections we want to twist it over created ponytail and then wrap it around the ponytail several times. The end we want to tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing. Then grabbing our second section, we want to cross it underneath ponytail first and then wrap it around the ponytail like with the previous one. Tuck it into the elastic the ends as well. Then you want to hide the elastic with our hair like I'm showing here. Now we want to bring it upward like I'm showing, creating kind of French twist but different way. Then grabbing some good bobby pins, you want to fix this bun in place and your lazy messy bun is ready. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this updo. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys, see you soon in my next video. Bye!